Welcome, everyone. I'm using ALLVIEW X4 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, let's open up settings and from here scroll all the way down to more settings, and then on the bottom you should find backup and reset, and then factory data reset. Now, before you get started, keep in mind that this process will remove all the data from your device, so that includes your music, movies, photos, anything that you have placed on the device yourself will be erased, and only the preloaded apps that you see when you first set up your device will remain. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up before, otherwise you will just lose it. So once you have backed it up or you don't care about it, tap on are you sure, want to restore, yep, okay, and as you can see the process will begin. Now this will take a couple minutes, but once it's finished we will be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. As you can see, now the process is finished and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.